Hey guys here, and today we're going to do my favorite cartridge tutorial again. I'm going to do my favorite cartridge tutorial. Let's begin. And this is actually my favorite card trick. It's actually pretty cool. I'm gonna pick one card. I'll show it to you first, and then I'll see the card, and I'll put it on the bottom deck, and then we're gonna have some cards. We're gonna have some cards, some face up, some face down, some face up, some face down, some face up, some face down, like so. And then bam. Like so. And then when I don't know what a card is, so when I snap, there's one card only. That's actually flipped. It is your card, the 9 of Hearts. Let me know in the comments to the 9 of Hearts, so I'll teach you. First of all, you have to pick a card, which I will take the tutorial. I'll know is the Ace of Diamonds, and I'll put it on the bottom of the deck like so. And then I'll put some cards face up, some cards face down like this, just like put some card, flip it over, put some card, flip it over, like so. And then this is the most important part. Put a bottom card, which is their card, on top of the deck, like so. And then I'm gonna find where the card meets. Some cards are like this, some cards are like that. We're gonna find where it meets, and then you have to real quickly. You have to practice how to do it, and then it's maybe in the middle of the deck. So there we go. I'm gonna put it like this. We're gonna do an extra little spin again, like this. We'll do an extra little spin, like so. And then when I snap, the card is only it's flipped already. So most of you know that. And then this is your card, the Ace of Diamonds. So yeah, if you have any questions, please tell me, and I'll see you guys. I'll just make more videos like this week. Check out my last video, which will be up tomorrow at 12 a.m. Mountain Time again. Check out my last video that will be posted from tomorrow at 12 a.m. on Mountain Time. So if you live in California, it is 11 p.m. So if you have any questions, just please tell me in the comment section. And in the last video, I teach a lot, like I teach the card dribble, like so. I'll teach it again in the video. I teach this. I teach that in that video, and then again, I'll say it right here in the video. I bought a pack of card throwing cards. It's called Falcon Playing Card by Rick Smith, and then I ordered it, and now we'll do a lot of card tricks. We'll do a lot of card throwing card tricks with it, and then check my TikTok, and I'll post it every time. I'll say check out my TikTok. My username is Kevin the Magician, and I post some like card throwing tricks out there, magic tricks out there. If you want, and then my YouTube is on my TikTok page. So if you guys have friends that have TikTok, tell them please follow Kevin the Magician and subscribe to him, because I need subscribers and followers. Because my brother has 557 followers, I believe, and I all have 231. So if you guys can help me to be my brother and go to 1,000 followers, it's very appreciated. And my goal for this year is to get, my goal for this year is to get like 400 followers. No, let's go to 600 followers this year, and then 600 followers, and then for YouTube, maybe 20 subscribers. So my goal for this year to get 600 followers on TikTok and to get 25 subscribers on YouTube. So if I have any, so guys, please check out my TikTok page. I really need help. You don't have to follow me, but check out my videos. They're pretty good. And then check out my card throwing, card throwing with cups, and I'll see. And then if you want to show, I'll show one right now, so you know what it is. I have an iPhone XS Max. It's not the new iPhone. Just saying. So this is my page, Kevin the Magician. I have 230 followers, 542 likes, and then this one on the and this one the most viewed card. This is the one the most viewed card throwing. It's pretty decent. It's pretty fun though. Let's show another one. Yeah, it's pretty fun. And if you have any questions, please touch me in the comments. And yeah, if you want, I'll do a separate account, maybe for card throwing only. Maybe not, because I have like a lot of Gmail accounts right now, and then I cannot finish it. And then yeah, maybe I'll do a card throwing account. Maybe. So check out my YouTube, about TikTok, Kevin the Magician. I'll show you again my TikTok page. Right, here's Kevin the Magician. Help me get 600 followers by the end of this year, and it's May quarantine. It's about to get our gain. People are at home to make videos, watching TikTok, watching the For You page. It's just really awesome. So guys, peace.